Despite the recent reports of a reassignment within Zimbabwe's military structures, VP Constantino Chiwenga's wife, Minnie Baloyi, appears to have lost none of her public warmth or popularity, with emotional testimonies from former students now flooding social media. Zarapina mashobra yukachizi Minnie Baloyi's popularity shoots up despite demotion in the army. When you subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna mnamu mchinzi. A touching post shared by one of Baloyi's former students has gone viral after the student revealed how the military officer and lecturer quietly helped struggling learners during their time at college. In the message, the student described Baloyi, whom students affectionately call Layoshi, the Mandarin word for teacher, as a humble and caring lecturer who regularly offered free lifts into town after lessons. One thing I always remember for sure, the student wrote, "You used to give us lifts into town after lecture. You should know that meant we could save the 50 cents for lunch the following day. You made us smile and eat lunch." The message, accompanied by an old group photograph with the Baloyi and students, struck a chord online, with many Zimbabweans praising her humanity at a time when she is under intense public scrutiny following a reported demotion from a strategic military intelligence role. Baloyi later responded with further context, explaining that she teaches Mandarin for business at the Harare Institute of Technology. She said students often traveled with her after classes, some even riding at the back of a pickup truck on the way into the town. "I never realized how much those small acts meant," she reflected, saying, "The recent message moved her deeply." She urged people never to underestimate acts of kindness, adding that what may appear insignificant to one person can completely change another person's day or even survival. Toma developments and okuda panguva iro pana comment section pedu kuti zamafungira imwe tikudipa pamusoro popularity yoita Minnie Baloyi. Pana comment section pedu zofundo enyu, so subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.